For years, drivers have been told that a higher price means better protection, and that a single bottle of additives can erase years of engine wear. These ideas sound convincing, but the truth lies far deeper inside metal, oil, and engineering. Before we trust labels and promises, we must understand how engines really survive, how oil truly works, and why science has always mattered more than belief. For decades, engine oil has been surrounded by strong beliefs, marketing claims, and half-truths. One of the most common ideas is that expensive oil is always the best oil. In reality, engine oil quality is not defined by price, but by specifications. Modern engines are designed around precise standards set by organizations such as API, ACEA, and vehicle manufacturers themselves. If an oil meets the required grade and certification for an engine, it will protect just as effectively as a more expensive option. Higher-priced oils often include longer drain intervals, synthetic bases, or brand value, but that does not automatically make them better for every engine. Using oil that matches the engine's design, climate, and driving conditions has always mattered more than cost. History shows that engines have survived millions of kilometers, not because of premium pricing, but because of correct viscosity, timely oil changes, and proper maintenance. Another powerful myth is that oil additives can make an engine like new. This belief gained popularity in the late 20th century as aftermarket products promised dramatic results. In truth, modern engine oils already contain carefully balanced additive packages developed by chemical engineers. These additives control wear, reduce friction, clean deposits, and protect against corrosion. Adding extra chemicals from outside can disturb this balance. While some additives may temporarily reduce noise or improve smoothness, they cannot reverse mechanical wear, rebuild damaged metal, or restore lost compression. Engines age through physical processes such as friction, heat cycles, and material fatigue, and no liquid can undo that damage. Historically, the most reliable way engines have stayed healthy is through regular oil changes, correct oil selection, clean fuel, and responsible driving habits. Understanding these facts helps separate science from marketing. Expensive oil is not a guarantee of better protection, and additives are not a shortcut to a new engine. Automotive history consistently proves that engines last longest when they are maintained according to engineering principles, not promises. Knowledge, not price or claims, has always been the real key to engine longevity. In the end, engines do not respond to price tags or promises. They respond to physics, chemistry, and care.